Magandang hapon po ng July 17, 2025 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng July 17, 2025 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ng lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, July 17, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for July 17, 2025, Thursday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, July 17, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for July 17, 2025, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.